Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the photo and duplicating the background layer so you can always revert. Next, zoom in around 200% and pick a soft clone or healing brush roughly 1/2 to 1 times the paint line width. This lets you match texture without oversmearing. Use short, confident strokes along the line, sampling from adjacent clean areas frequently so the pattern and color stay consistent. Once you have a rough pass, toggle the duplicate off and on to check progress and avoid losing contrast. Once the rough removal is in place, refine the edges with a smaller brush about 1/4 to 1/2 the original size. This helps preserve detail and prevents smudging high-frequency texture. If color shifts appear, perform a quick frequency separation or use low-opacity dodge and burn to even out highlights and shadows. Then sample local colors with the picker and gently paint at 5–15% opacity to nudge hue and saturation into alignment, making the repaired area sit naturally with surrounding pixels. Finish by adding a subtle noise or grain layer to match the original film or sensor characteristics. This hides micro-repair seams. Then create a flattened copy for final sharpening. Preview at 100% and in a 16:9 composition so you catch any artifacts. If you still see repeating patterns or halos, don't panic. Revert to the duplicate layer, change sampling points, and redo the problematic strokes with a different brush hardness or blending mode. This targeted backtrack fixes stubborn artifacts without redoing everything.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.